Bookkeepers, accountants, and small business owners, welcome to Accountator.com. I'm Bipin, and welcome to the 5-minute crash course on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or switching from another accounting software, this course is just what you need. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the basics, highlight its key features, and show you how to get started with ease. Let's dive in right away. First of all, what exactly is QuickBooks Online? QuickBooks Online, often called QBO, is cloud-based accounting software developed by Intuit. It's a powerful tool for managing your business finances from anywhere. With QuickBooks Online, you can track income and expenses, create and send invoices, manage bills, and even run payroll, all from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Since it's cloud-based, your data is securely stored online and updates in real time, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date information about your business. Think of it as your virtual accountant, keeping everything organized, simplifying tax preparation, and saving your valuable time. Now you must be wondering, how do I get started with QuickBooks Online? Getting started is super easy. Just head over to the QuickBooks Online website and sign up for an account. If you're new, you can take advantage of a free trial to explore its features. After signing up, you'll be prompted to set up your business profile by entering basic details like your business name, industry, and contact information. From there, you can personalize your QuickBooks Online experience by linking bank accounts, adding customers and vendors, and setting up your chart of accounts, the backbone of your bookkeeping system. Don't worry if it feels like a lot. I'll walk you through each step in this crash course. So first, let's have a look at the interface. For this tutorial, we'll be using a sample company called ABC Corporation. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu, your main hub for accessing all the features in QuickBooks Online. The menu includes sections like Dashboard, where you get an overview of your business activities, and Transactions, where you can connect your bank accounts, reconcile transactions, and manage your chart of accounts. In the Sales section, you can manage customers, create invoices, and track payments. You'll also find Expenses, where you handle vendor payments, reports for generating financial statements, and taxes to manage your tax obligations. Everything is organized to make navigation simple and efficient. Now take a look at the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to settings, where you can customize your company information such as its name, logo, and contact details. You can also set preferences for invoices, payments, and time tracking to match your business needs. Additionally, this is where you manage users and assign permissions to control what each team member can access. Together, the navigation menu and settings put you in full control of your QuickBooks experience. Once you get the hang of these, managing your business finances will feel effortless. So what's next? When setting up any accounting software, including QuickBooks Online, your first priority should be the chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting system, a list of all the accounts you'll use to categorize your business transactions, such as assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. In QuickBooks Online, you'll find the chart of accounts under the Transactions menu. Here, you can review the default accounts QuickBooks has created based on your business type during setup. You can also customize this list by adding accounts tailored to your business needs. For instance, if you own a coffee shop, you might create accounts like coffee beans as an expense and coffee sales as income. Be sure to select the correct account type and detail type for each account you create, but don't worry, you can always edit these later if needed. A well-organized chart of accounts is key to ensuring your transactions are categorized correctly and your financial reports are accurate. Next, let's connect your bank accounts. Head over to the Banking tab and click Link Account. Choose your bank, log in securely, and authorize QuickBooks to access your transactions. Once connected, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions, allowing you to review and categorize them effortlessly. This integration not only saves time but also makes reconciling your accounts fast and straightforward. Now let's move on to managing bills, invoices, payments, and journals in QuickBooks Online. To record a bill, go to the Expenses tab, click Bills, and select New Bill. Enter the vendor, due date, and amounts. When you pay the bill, QuickBooks automatically updates your accounts and tracks the expense. To create an invoice, head to the Sales tab, click Create Invoice, and fill in details like the customer, items, and amounts. Once sent, QuickBooks tracks the outstanding balance and updates your accounts when the invoice is paid, marking it as closed. For payments, you can record them in the Receive Payments section for customers or the Pay Bills section for vendors. QuickBooks adjusts your cash flow automatically. For journal entries, go to Plus New and select Journal Entry. This is useful for transactions not covered by invoices or bills. Simply debit and credit the appropriate accounts, but double-check for accuracy to avoid errors. These tools make managing your finances in QuickBooks Online straightforward and efficient. Key reports include the profit and loss, P&L, which shows your income and expenses, and the balance sheet, which outlines your assets, liabilities, and equity. You can also generate a cash flow statement and other custom reports based on your business needs. QuickBooks makes it easy to customize reports by date, filters, and accounts, giving you a clear picture of your business's financial health. These insights will help you make informed decisions and stay on top of your finances. And that's a wrap for our 5-minute crash course on QuickBooks Online. We've covered the basics: setting up your company, creating your chart of accounts, generating invoices, managing bills, and recording payments. QuickBooks Online is a powerhouse tool, and with just a little practice, you'll be navigating your business finances like a pro. For a deeper dive, check out our Mastering QuickBooks Online training, designed for bookkeepers, accountants, and small business owners. The link is in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and explore more tutorials on our channel. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.